Christmas, guys. I'm so excited. If you hear that noise, it's our Roomba going in the background. He's about to get me right now. I prematurely started him this morning, so we've been having to jump around him all morning. But we're getting ready to eat breakfast. Jacob made breakfast for us. I'm really excited. And then we're going to put on our Christmas sweaters and open presents and just kind of chill and relax. It's like 11 o'clock. We had a very relaxed morning, which is really nice. I'm really excited because we both needed it. We worked long hours yesterday, so I'm super excited that it's Christmas and that we get to open our presents for you guys. And we already know what we're getting, so that's not really anything shocking. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys shortly. This is our Christmas setup. We have the cat tree there that's not wrapped. Some gifts. We ran out of paper over there, but I'm super excited about all the gifts that we have. Every year, Jacob's parents give us these stockings, and they're just full of so much stuff. Like I got these masks, and Jacob's mom said she needs to see a video with this black one because it's a peel-off mask. So she says she wants to see that. We got candy. We always do lottery tickets. There's bath bombs. I got stuff for my car, like smelly good stuff. I got headphones. I got 3 LED lights that work with our Google Home Mini. I got this shirt. I got the Roomba. I got a lot of stuff last night. We're putting Roomba back in his home right now, I think. He's smart. He's knowing where to go. Oh, he's home now. We're gonna do your stocking.
Ropes. Hop up.
There's Roland's stocking.
There you go, buddy.
Oh, what'd you get? Oh, he's excited. What'd you get, buddy? You got a new toy, some new toys, and then Dad's gonna have to get this. Arthur, you've got yours. Take a
Already here. That's for you.
Oh, Arthur, you're a turkey. Here, this is for you. That's for you. They have food in the bottom of the things, but they're like stuck in there, so we have to.
There you go.
You all got a whole can of food. He likes his toys. Artie, these are for you, bud. These are for you. He's like, I'm not worried about the toy. I'm worried about the.
What food, huh?
He's like, I see the wets. Don't take your brother's toy. Go get it.
Where?
The Christmas toys are a success. Greg, come get yours.
Greg.
Greg's gonna come get his. Oh, he's gonna get pets from Dad. Okay. Go get your toys, Greg.
Look at your stuff. Look, Greg. Look, things.
I'm really bad at giving gifts, and Jacob pretty much knows everything that he's getting besides one present. It's not that big. It was supposed to be like a stocking stuffer, but I couldn't stock the stuffing with it, or stuff the stocking with it. So that's not gonna happen, but I'm excited to get his reaction to the thing he doesn't know. It's not that impressive. Jacob actually did stock my stuffing though. That sounds mildly inappropriate.
Stuff your stocking.
Stock my stuffing. And I got watch bands for my Apple Watch. I'm super excited. So I'm probably gonna switch these out ASAP Rocky. This is supposed to be Jacob's stocking stuffer. Very wonderfully wrapped.
Yeah, you did a great job.
This is the one that Arthur helped with.
Okay.
This
Underwear and socks. It's the best part of Christmas.
It has our address.
Oh, so let him send fan mail.
Or kill us.
Yeah, underwear and socks.
Underwear and socks, his favorite thing.
It is. Best thing to get on Christmas.
So he loves getting socks and underwear on Christmas. Like I said, those are supposed to be stocking stuffers, but I couldn't get
I
those.
bet you scratched out the value. Like I care. Wonder what it is.
This one's from Jacob. This wrapping paper is nice. It's hard to rip. I had no idea. It's a ring light. Woohoo! I'm super excited about this because it's gonna make filming videos bob.com and taking Instagram photos. I'm so excited.
Moms.
This is the boys' Christmas. It's a cat tree that Dad's gonna have to put together.
Look at the package.
I wonder what this one is. We clearly were running out of wrapping paper. It's an oil diffuser! I'm super excited about this because we need it in our room.
Yeah, it's also 3 times the size of the one she asked for.
And it's so cute. Like, let me show you real quick. It goes perfectly in our house. We're doing the wood and the white. This is going in our bedroom, but I'm still in love with this sucker already. It's funny because Jacob had to wrap his own gift. But this is Jacob's big gift.
Yeah, and I already know how to open it the right way. Okay.
And he has no idea what it is, even though he wrapped it.
I didn't even see it when it got here from Amazon. You know, I was the one that was home. It's a box.
It's a butt. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. It's a 3D printer.
It's a 3D printer. I don't know why I'm repeating everything that you say.
So excited for this.
He's gonna set it up on his new desk.
I'm gonna print so many things, mainly wheelchair parts, but so many things. Because now we don't have to pay $70 for a break. We can probably print one.
Yay.
Importantly not least.
This is a 3-parter.
Yeah.
Wrapping job is amazing. That was fun.
Oh man, whatever could it be?
Nobody knows. I already showed this in the vlog.
Yeah. Oh, it's shampoo, body wash, and conditioner.
Are you so surprised?
I'm so surprised and so stoked.
Artie, are you stoked?
I really am stoked because I was running out of these things.
And they smell so good.
And it's important.
Target.com.
To smell like something your lady likes.
Yeah. So we wanted to say Merry Christmas and
Merry
Happy
Christmas.
Holidays or whatever you celebrate. I hope that you guys had an amazing Christmas or holiday with your friends and family. I hate to say it, I told Jacob this last night, but Christmas isn't so bad. I'm super excited and I've been very spoiled this year, and it's not about the gifts or the presents, but we've had a lot of family.
Yeah,
We've done a lot of family stuff this year, and it's nice being in our own home because we got to start a tradition of having Christmas in our sweaters. I got this last night. I don't know if I said that. And it's just been really nice. So I guess I'm understanding what the magic of Christmas is now that I'm an adult and I have my own family, and I'm getting to choose that stuff. So I wanted to show you guys the cat's tower put together, but I'll do that in another vlog because we're gonna go have dinner with his dad today because his mom's working. So I'm not gonna force Jacob to put that thing together right away because I know he wants to play with this 3D printer. So thank you guys so much for watching our Christmas vlog. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like and comment and tell me what your favorite Christmas gift was or what your favorite activity you did this Christmas was, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.